Ever feel like you've been throwing prompts at ChatGPT all day, but it just doesn't get what you're after? Ugh, me too. The thing is, getting the best results is all about crafting the perfect prompt. In today's video, we're going to break down some simple steps to help you write prompts that basically make ChatGPT, or any other language model, your writing BFF. The first thing is persona. Imagine you want ChatGPT to act like a wise old professor, a witty comedian, or a strict detective. It can have its own way of talking and thinking, right? This is the persona. When you give it a prompt, you want it to respond in a certain way. So you've got to tell it what kind of character to be. This can be super helpful for creative writing or character-based prompts, but it's not always necessary for factual or informational requests. The next component is context. Think of context as setting the stage for your request. It's like giving the AI some background information so it understands exactly what you want. And hey, stick around till the end because I've got one more tip for you. Ask me 3 questions. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Moving on to the next key element, task. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. Be clear and use words like give, provide, write, or create. Once you've defined the task, it's time to consider the format. This is the shape of your request. Do you want a poem, an email, a social media post, or something else entirely? Tell the AI what format you have in mind. Exemplar. Sometimes, including an example showing a picture in your prompt can be super helpful. This gives the AI a clear idea of what you're looking for. While providing an example can be beneficial, it's not always essential. Another key element is tone. Do you want your output to be funny, serious, formal, persuasive, or something else? Set the mood with the tone in your prompt. And finally, expectation. Think about your expectations. This is basically the kind of response you want from the language model. For example, if you want a detailed answer, specify the word count or desired length. Let's see how all these elements come together in a real prompt. Imagine you're an 8th grader with a horror story assignment due. Here's how you could write your prompt. Hey ChatGPT, I'm an 8th grader, persona, and need some major help with my horror story assignment. Context. Can you write me a super scary story, format, and task with a creepy atmosphere, like one about a girl stuck alone in a cabin? Start with everything being really quiet and peaceful, then slowly build up the tension until the ending is totally mysterious and leaves everyone wondering what happened. Exemplar. Use a serious and professional tone throughout, like something I could totally turn in and get a good grade on. Tone and expectation. Or you could also say, provide me a horror story script. Ask 3 questions to refine the response you'll give me. And you see, it ended up asking me 3 questions. What is the setting of your story? What kind of horror story do you want? And who is the main character of your horror story? By following these steps and keeping these key elements in mind, you'll be a pro at crafting prompts that unlock ChatGPT's full potential and get you the results you want.